Good morning, everyone. Today is the day that the Lord has made, and this is the second day documenting the flowering of this banana plant, the Cavendish banana plant. And as you can see from where I'm standing, and that is where I was standing yesterday, which was day one when I started. Today you can see now the flower is at 90 degrees angle from the plant. You can see it has completely slept. It's actually sleeping. And as you can see, the flag leaf is separating from the main flower. You can see this is it, and it's actually now bending completely. It went 45 degrees bent by itself just in one day. This is how a banana plant behaves. Can you see? You can see actually it's more than 90 degrees bent from the plant. This is the banana flower down here. You can see it's trying to separate from this flag leaf, separating from this flag leaf, and there is another leaf also here where it's separating from. So you can see the flower is actually bent to more than 90 degrees from the main stem, which is here. So it's coming like this. It's bent, and it's bent more than 90 degrees, and the flag leaf is separating, and there's another flap. There's another flap here, which this one has separated. So it will start separating. These flaps, these ones are going to keep on peeling off. They kind of look like they peel off. So this one will peel off it to show some banana fingers, and then it will continue like that until we have several of the banana hands and fingers, until it has had enough. So this is day 2, my friends. Look at that banana flower moving at a very fast speed. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. This is the banana that is doing its thing.